it did touch my heart. I actually felt it. It brought me back to memories of growing up and working hard to get where I am today in the organisation that I love. And, and I could see that those kids would have absolutely benefited from that. And I think if each one of us did a little bit more of that and gave back to the community, it doesn't take much, but it lightens up the life of those that are less fortunate.
The last component of which has just been amazing, with the children coming out and collecting their bikes. That was a massive highlight. Well, I think myself and Rebecca, who was standing at the front, actually shed a tear before the children even came out. So it was pretty special. Yeah, pretty special. Amazing, actually.
Oh, something, I had a fantastic day. I really did. I think for me, I think it was just the opportunity to get with all my colleagues, to have some fun, to leave work behind, but yet there's an underlying, solution and opportunity to kind of meet so many people. But I think the real highlight, I was just sharing with somebody earlier on, one of the key things for me was I heard one of the young children talk about it and how excited she was about getting the bike. And she actually turned around and said, "This is the best day ever. I got free bike, free food and free drink."
It's been an absolutely tremendous day today. Seeing all the team, all the different fractions of Sodexo, it's been a worthy experience to attend. Yeah, it's been great. He was billed as the mental health but he was actually the team coach guy. He was absolutely brilliant. He hit it right on the head, what he was explaining. It was all about yourself, manage yourself so you can manage your team in a better frame of mind.
It's been an amazing day. Well done to Sodexo for putting on this tremendous conference. Really impressed and pleasantly surprised about how well that it's gone. It's also been great to network as well and meet so many people that we email but we don't actually meet face to face. The highlight today was definitely the team building experience, building the bikes and presenting them to the children tonight. There was a few girls that had some tears in their eyes, so it really hit home and it was great to see.
Yeah, what an amazing day. What a great networking experience with all the Sodexo staff. It's been absolutely unreal. The team building event this afternoon, that was fantastic. To interact with so many different people from so many different areas, it's been such a worthy experience for myself. Building the bikes for the kids and seeing the look on their faces when they came in tonight, that's got to be the highlight for me.
Well, I've had an absolute ball today. The opportunity to meet the people of Sodexo and be part of all the activities. I've missed a couple, but we're enjoying it. I do have to say the bike activity was the best. The teamwork of putting it together to start with, and everyone having fun, and then the look on the kids' faces as they came out, it was a joy, absolute joy.